It's currently January, but I got this for Christmas and I cannot wait to use it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna unbox it so we can see what it comes with. It is car wash foam sprayer for your power hose. I have no idea what it comes with and I cannot wait to check it out. Oh, look at that. FoamKing soap and water mix soap. So pour the soap to there, soap and water to here. This is the attachment for your sprayer. This must control what comes out. That's a hose adapter. Look at all of these attachments. Oh, that is nice. Now to assemble it, it all goes together fairly straightforward. There it is. You got your handle, you got your canister, and you've got your nozzle. You attach this to your pressure washer, and presto blammo, you've got an immediate washing machine. And up here, you've got that trigger guard. I would say this is a high quality product. Like I said, you've got this dial right here. It snaps together easily. All in all, I would say this is a quality setup. So that's everything that it comes with. I cannot wait for spring so I can start washing my car and using all of these cool tools. Hurry up, summer. It's taking too long.